As a WIC participant, you have rights and responsibilities. We want to make sure you know what these are. If there is anything you do not understand, please let us know. First, you will be treated fairly. WIC treats everybody the same regardless of religion, ancestry, political affiliation, medical condition, marital status, sexual orientation, race, color, national origin, disability, or gender. If you think you have been discriminated against because of one of these things, you may file a complaint. It is your right to be treated with politeness and respect by WIC and grocery store staff. You are also expected to treat WIC staff and grocery store staff with politeness and respect. If you harm or threaten to harm anyone in the WIC office or the grocery store, you may be disqualified from WIC. You must buy the correct kind and amount of WIC foods printed on your WIC checks and described in the shopping guide. WIC foods cannot be returned to the grocery store for credit, cash, or other food items. You cannot sell, trade, or try to sell or trade your WIC checks or WIC foods. Advertising WIC foods or WIC checks for sale on the internet is just one example of an attempt to sell WIC foods and is not allowed. If you do any of these things, you may be disqualified from the WIC program and face other penalties. Every month, you will get one set of checks for each family member that is eligible for WIC. You cannot get more than one set of checks for that same month. You must give us truthful, complete, and current information. WIC has the right to make sure the information you provide is correct. If you knowingly make a statement that is not true or withhold facts, like not reporting income from a second job or income from all the people living at your house, you may have to pay back the cash value of the food benefits that were given to you and your family. You may appeal any decision made by WIC regarding your eligibility for WIC. If you have questions about your rights and responsibilities, or would like someone to read this form to you before you sign it, please talk to your WIC counselor. Signing the form means you understand your rights and responsibilities as a WIC participant.